Alright, so back at her again. Here we have another repair video for you today. We are replacing the coolant temperature sensor on a '89 Chevy Celebrity with the 4-banger 2.5 4-cylinder automatic Iron Duke. That temperature sensor is right here below the thermostat housing. You just unplug it. If it's wet and dirty or corroded, I would take some electrical cleaner and clean this out and blow it out, and then when you go to replace the new one, just plug it back in. So right here's the sensor. It takes a 19mm deep weld socket, a regular 3/8 ratchet, of course the sensor, and here's the part number. Not a sponsor, but it is lifetime warranty. And then you'll need some coolant to fill it back up whenever you go to replace this, because coolant's going to come out. Alright, so basically, real quick, the vehicle is not running right. When it does run, she kind of, when you going down the road, operating temperature, I have idiot lights, so I don't know what temperature it's actually at, but when you're going down the road and it's in lockup, Baz will say overdrive, going up a hill, the engine has this rattling noise, and it sounds like a pinging or either too much fuel or not enough. Replaced the oxygen sensor, that still didn't fix it. Of course, it was bad, so that did fix one thing, but it still didn't fix the noise that I got. So it's running too rich. Another symptom would be whenever the vehicle is cold and you go to start it up, it'll have a lumpy idle or idle weird, or run funny or run too rich or too lean, because basically this sensor provides the readings to the computer to tell it how much fuel and air to get. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Just knock it loose. It may take some force, but you'll get it. When it gets loose enough for your fingers like that, I'm going to go ahead and get your other sensor ready. Also, if it doesn't come with this red stuff, Permanex on it, then you need to use some Teflon tape in order to protect these threads, so whenever it goes in, it doesn't leak. That's basically all this stuff is. Get your sensor ready, so when you take this out, coolant's going to come flying out of here. And real quick, just like so, and then start tightening it back up. Make sure you tighten it in the head or housing by hand, just like I did. Don't do it with the ratchet, because you could take a chance of stripping the threads. Goes right back in. Alright, basically it's in there, it's snug, it ain't going nowhere, I don't see any leaking. So, my connector is clean and dry. And we're just going to take it and plug it right in. Just like so, as soon as I find out which way to put it in, right? There you go, make sure the tab clicks so it's got a good connection. Fire up the vehicle and see how she runs. Alright, topped off all the fluids, fire it up. Ah, jeez. Got a problem with the ignition switch on this model. No leaks. I think I call that a fix. She's full. We're good there. That's pretty much how you replace a coolant temperature sensor on your vehicle. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I make capture videos just about every other week, whenever possible, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Have any questions, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Stay tuned for more.